Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: Justin has a piece of rope that is 2.5 feet long. He needs to cut pieces that are 1/12 of a foot long. How many pieces can Justin cut? We have given that Justin has a piece of rope that is 2.5 feet long. So that is 2.5 feet means, convert this into improper fractions. So it is 4 plus 1 by 2 means 5/2 feet long. Let x be the number of pieces that Justin can cut. So we need to cut pieces that are 1/12 of a foot long, that is 1/12 of x. So to find the value of this x, that is number of pieces that Justin can cut, we need to compare this 5/2 to 1/12 of x. So x will be 5/2 into 12. So it is 5 into 6 means 30. Hence, Justin can cut 30 pieces, which is our option D.